Hola chicos, hoy vamos a hablar sobre la expresión ojalá con los verbos subjuntivos. Hi guys, today we are going to talk about the expression ojalá with the subjunctive verbs. Okay, ojalá is an expression in the weirdo term. It is the O of weirdo. Ojalá can translate in a variety of ways. God willing, let's hope that, I hope that, if only. These are all expressions that can translate to the word ojalá in Spanish. Ojalá is the weirdest of the weirder term because it only has one subject and the que is optional, but they still require the subjunctive. Let's take a look at some example. Ojalá que ellos vengan a la fiesta. Ojalá ellos vengan a la fiesta. Both only one subject and the word que is optional. Both sentences are correct. Now that you have learned the rules of the weirdo expression ojalá, let's practice. In the practicemos section of your notes, write the following sentences using ojalá. Follow the model. The model says ojalá ellos, hacer is the verb, la tarea. Okay? And you're going to write the sentence ojalá que ellos hagan la tarea. Remember to change the verb into the subjunctive. Pause the video and practice the following in your practicemos section. All right, guys, this will conclude the lesson for today. Make sure you practice these and we'll discuss these in class tomorrow. Adios.